quick demonstration. Make this as quick as I possibly can. So we've got multiple things going on, and I want to show you around Trucker Buddy in the quickest way I possibly can. So just to get to the meat of it, all right, what we're doing is we're going to integrate all of the systems in your network that you need to work. So currently you're using Gmail for communications with brokers, for check calls, rate confirmation, things of that nature regarding dispatch. Right now we're connected with Motive. If you're using another ELD, we'll probably have to do a separate integration for that, which is no problem. But currently, if you have Motive, we would need you to just go in and request the API key. You can log in from here and connect that. And here you can connect your 123 load board. All you simply would do is click connect. You'll be routed to wherever their screen is. In particular with Gmail, you're probably going to get a sensitivity email or notification, about what we're going to be doing. And simply, it's going to say Google hasn't verified this app. We're going through the verification process. You can simply just click on advance, go to Trucker Buddy, and you're in. Once we're in, you give us consent to do the emails, uh, and we'll be able to watch, fetch the replies, and communicate with the broker through your Gmail account. All right. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to the app. And just for the sake of saving time, you would do the same steps and repeat the steps for Motive or whatever ELD provider and the other one. This is our AI bot as of right now. This is your agent, Trucker Buddy. Similar to ChatGPT, we'll have threads for conversations. They'll be displayed by the load number for the most part. Uh, and you can, of course, chat with the chatbot about anything load related. We have a terminal module there. If you hire owner operators and you need to separate their and organize their LLCs and get them in the app, it's easily integratable with other owner operators. Of course, you would keep company drivers under your company name and put all of your owner operators under their owner operator things. That way, they'll be able to run or manage whatever it is that they need to manage separately. But that's something we can get into later. So, what we provide is the TMS side of things. So, you'll have all of your standard TMS features, the dashboard with weekly metrics, a map where you can see all of your assets and drivers as you grow your business. So, this setup is to help you not only where you are currently with one truck, but as you grow and develop, we're going to help you scale, right? Because the name of the game is scale. Now, previously, when I was coming up, uh, it was about 3 trucks you would feel the pressure. By the time you got to 5 trucks, you can no longer drive, right? You had so many back office tasks that you had to keep up with that you needed to get out of the truck and drive. Some people hire dispatch services, things of that nature, and then it's just money out the window. Either you take a pay cut or you pay a dispatch service. Either way, there's money out of your pocket, and you just want to focus on driving to keep your money coming in, and then you got the business growing, and then you have some money for the pocket, take care of family by continuing to drive. I understand, been there, been through it. That's what this system is for. How do we do it? Now you go to the loads table. We definitely have track and trace, so you can see those will be tracked, those will be traced. We know where everything is. We'll keep you in the loop. We have your, let me see, where's the driver? I don't think the driver's on this one. No, the driver's not on this one. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Nope. Yeah. So this is demo dummy data, so no driver, but you can see the pickup and the delivery here. We're all good to go there. I'm just speeding through this thing. You can add and create loads here, which I would do it. You can see how the AI can create a load for you. But for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through that because it takes a long time to upload files, and I don't feel like burning your time up with my hard drive, whatever space. Show you what a trip looks like. It'll create all of this stuff. You would assign your trip driver, everything you need, uh, including including relays, right? So if you needed to split that trip and add, like, let's just say this one is from here to here, but you wanted one driver to drop here and then another driver to pick up from that location, you can add that relay. It'll be the same load, but you just kind of split it between two drivers. You could do that here, keep track of everything, and we'll get everything done. Finances, your empty miles, loaded miles, total miles, all of that stuff is calculated. Your rate confirmations are stored. We keep track of all your documentation. Invoices are created and generated. Bill of ladings are also stored. We keep all of the documents. So all of your documents are good to go, right? Whatever document you want to upload, we keep it. So that's the TMS side of things, right? So we have all of that. Now to the fun part, right? Once you get everything set up, finances too. So whatever you pay the driver by the mile, it'll calculate and take care of all of that as well. And you can do your settlements, your invoices, ins and outs, all of that good, great stuff that comes with the TMS. All right, so now we're going to go with the AI side. Now, to my right over here is the driver app. So, like I said, you're going to have a split app. You're going to have one that's for your business, and then you're going to have another one that's the driver app. Now, as you create your account and set yourself up as a driver, which you would do under users, you can add your drivers here. They'll get an invite via email to set this one up over here. And then whatever you dispatch over here goes over there, and everybody's happy. All right, so now demonstration time. Let's get to the good stuff. All right. This is Texarkana Mill. Yada, 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 yada. So pre-plans will show up here as well. Who's this driver? Let me see. We'll make sure I get a good, accurate load for you. What's the email? Okay. So more than likely what's going to happen is when I log out of this one, it's going to do that. So what I'll do is I'll get rid of this TMS side and we'll switch over to the driver app, and then we'll get busy on that because that's where the rubber really meets the road. So let me make sure that my driver is good. He was on load number 7. Okay. So now I'm gonna log into my driver account. Okay, so now I'm logged into my driver account, and I am going to start my progress. Now, it's connected to my Gmail account, right? So what we're going to pay close attention to, as you can see in the sent box, my last one is to Brandon. So now I'm just simply going to execute my load. Now that my load has been executed and I'm en route to my pickup, boom. So now you can see where the email was sent at, well, is this the right one? No, that's not the right one. There you go. All right, you can see where I'm sent at 4:55 p.m., which is the current time, 4:55 p.m.